How to outline text with shadows in Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can outline text with shadows in Google Slides. So this is how to go about it, alright? The first step is for you to open up your Google Slides presentation, just like I have done here. And then once you've opened it up, I have brought you the presentation page. The next step is to select the slide where you would like to add the text outline with shadows. So for me, I'll be selecting this particular slide. Then the next step would be for you to go to the top part of the screen and then click on the Insert tab, which is found in between View and Format. So by clicking on Insert, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like image, text box, audio, video, shape, table, chart, diagram, word art. So just go ahead and click on word art. And then next step would be for you to type in the text that you would like to add shadows to. So for me, the text is ready. Okay. And so next step is to click enter to save, and then you can see that the word art has shadows already. So once you can see this, next step is to move to the top part of the screen and then click on the format option. So after clicking on the format option by the right side, you see a panel, all right, where you see a panel where you can see options like size and rotation, position, drop shadow. So you can just go ahead and tick this drop shadow, and as you can see, the shadow has been added. Then to tweak this shadow, depending on how you want it to be, to maybe obvious the color of the shadow, just click on the drop down menu. All right, just click on drop down menu this way, and then you can increase the opacity or decrease the opacity of the shadow depending on the one you want. As you can see, you can even change the color of the shadow to and something else depending on what you want. You can change the angle of the shadow, you can change the distance, you can increase the blur radius. All right, you can see how cool this is. Then you can do other things as well, and then you can just click on it and you can change the position if you want to, and there you have it. You have your text outlined with shadows. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can outline the text with shadows. Thank you for watching and ensure you have a good day.